Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video shows you how to use the auto framing function. There are 3 simple steps to follow. Let's look at the basic equipment you need to get started. You just need a PC for setting up the tracking via the web interface. Alternatively, you can simply use the supplied remote control. Setting up auto framing couldn't be easier. If you're using the web GUI, log on to the camera. Then click the Tracking tab to access the tracking configuration page. Now simply select Framing in the Tracking Mode drop-down and click the Auto Framing icon to activate the feature. Let's watch auto framing in action. In this demo, we're just pressing the auto framing button on the remote for start and stop auto framing. You can always use the web interface if you prefer. Start auto framing and demo. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.